In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the status access violation error in Chrome step by step, so you can get websites loading normally again without the constant crashes and interruptions. This error is often caused by an extension, corrupted cache, a browser setting, or a Chrome flag issue, and the good news is that you can usually fix it yourself in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is test Chrome in Incognito Mode. This is one of the fastest ways to figure out whether an extension is causing the problem. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N at the same time. If you're on Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. A new incognito window will open. And now go to the website that was crashing before. If the website works normally in incognito mode, that's a very strong sign that one of your extensions is responsible. If the website still crashes, don't worry, just move on to the next step. Now let's disable your extensions one by one. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, go to Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. You'll now see every extension installed in your browser. Start by disabling the most common culprits like ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and shopping extensions. Disable one extension at a time, then refresh the website after each one. This part is important because it helps you pinpoint the exact extension causing the status access violation error. If the crash stops after disabling one of them, you've found the problem. You can either leave it off or remove it completely if you don't need it. If the issue is still happening, the next step is to clear Chrome cache and cookies. Over time, stored data can become corrupted and cause browser errors like this. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows, or use the equivalent shortcut on Mac. Set the time range to all time. Then check cookies and other site data, and also cached images and files. Once both boxes are selected, click Delete Data. Chrome may take a few moments to finish, so let it complete the process fully before moving on. After that, reload the website and check whether the error is gone. Next, restart Chrome completely. Close every Chrome window, make sure it is fully shut down, and then open it again. This gives the browser a clean restart and can clear out temporary glitches that may be causing the crash. Once Chrome opens again, go back to the website and test it one more time. If the problem is still not fixed, it's time to reset Chrome flags. In the address bar, type Chrome/flags and press Enter. This opens Chrome's experimental settings. In the top right corner, click Reset All, then click Relaunch when prompted. Chrome will restart with the default experimental settings restored. This can fix issues caused by a bad flag change or an unstable browser experiment. And if you're still seeing the error after all of that, there is one advanced fix you can try: renaming the Chrome executable. First, close Chrome completely. Then, right-click your Chrome shortcut and choose Open File Location. Find the chrome.exe file, right-click it, and rename it to something like chrome1.exe. This is an advanced step, so only use it if the earlier fixes didn't solve the problem. At this point, one of these methods should have fixed the status access violation error in Chrome and got your website working again. If this video saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment letting me know which step fixed it for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.